Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our upper radiator mount bushings. Now this one right here is very easy to do. You're just going to go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt right there and you can take off this bracket. This side over here is a little bit harder, so it's the one I'm going to show you how to do. We'll come right here to the center push pin and remove the center. Use a 10mm on this. We'll pop that up and out of the way. Pull this up as well, and now we can slide this so we have access to our bolt right here. Let's use our 10mm, remove this. Grab onto that bracket, lift it up. Now at this point, we're going to take a look at the back side here. You just want to essentially grab onto that, and we're going to also push on this area with our thumb and start pressing it through. There we are. Now while we still have this in our hand, let's go ahead and put this one in. You can see that it has a little ridge that comes across the center there. Let's go ahead and start sliding it in. If you wanted to use a screwdriver or a pick or anything the like, you could do that as well. Slide this on here. Grab our mounting bolt. We'll start this in. Now I'm going to go ahead and snug this up, but when I snug it up, you want to make sure that you're holding onto the bracket. It can move around, and you don't want it to be crooked, which could potentially cause damage to the radiator. Put in your push tab by pressing in the outer portion first, and then finish it off by pressing in the inner portion. That's going to lock this down.